This is a modular cell phone that emphasizes sustainability, longevity, and the ease of repair. The design is modular and does not use glue, enabling users to conveniently replace up to 12 different parts. It incorporates recycled materials, yet it does not compromise on durability. The device boasts a military-grade rating, Gorilla Glass 1 protection, and an IP55 protection level against both water and dust. The display mounts a 6.3-inch LTPO OLED panel with full HD resolution, refresh rate of 120 Hz, a maximum brightness of 1400 nits, so it's a remarkably competitive display, a compact device. In cameras, it has a dual rear configuration with a 50-megapixel Sony main sensor with optical stabilization, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera that also functions as a macro camera by incorporating autofocus. The front camera is 32 megapixels for selfies. The battery is 415 milliamp hour and supports fast charging by 30 watts cable. I don't think it's that much of a battery. It's quite large, but at least it offers us the ability to replace it more easily. Unlike all the devices today where the battery is not removable, in terms of performance it comes equipped with the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor featuring 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. This storage can be expanded up to 2TB using micro SD cards. Won't be top of the range for raw power, but I think it has. It has more than enough power to meet the needs of most users. Speaking of the software, it comes with Android 15, and here is something truly remarkable. Fairphone offers an impressive 5-year warranty and promises 7 years of major Android updates. This makes it a device that, as I mentioned, is highly focused on durability. If you're looking to purchase a cell phone that won't stop working shortly after buying it, or if it gets damaged, it is very easy to repair, making it an excellent choice. The Fairphone 6 is priced at €599 and is now open for pre-sale in Europe. Please let me know if you're interested in seeing other brands adopt these ideas of modular, easily repairable devices.